Today we are going to learn about something colorful and magical, that is rainbow. Now let us learn the rainbows. What is rainbow? A rainbow is a big beautiful curve of colors you see in the sky after it rains. How does it happen? When sunlight shines through tiny raindrops, the light breaks into colors that makes a rainbow appear. Colors of the rainbow. There are seven colors in the rainbow. Now let us learn. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Where can you see rainbows? You can see rainbows after rain with sunshine, near waterfalls, in garden water sprays.
Like, share and subscribe Buddy Kitty.